guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing this soft glam look that could be for every day or every night. If you want to achieve this look, just continue to watch and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I like to use micellar water to get my face clean and just prepare for the makeup. It's been my thing probably for a couple of months now. I've used it on clients, I use it on myself clearly, but it's really great for just cleansing your face without drying it out. But then I'm going in with my NYX Bear With Me primer and moisturizer. I just needed something to go on my face. I actually like to just use a moisturizer. I need to get into some good primers, so y'all, if y'all have some good primers that y'all want me to try, put them down below and I will try them. Okay, so next, I did not get the job with MAC, but I did get a job with Clinique, and we'll get into it. I'm gonna make a whole video about that, but now I have a whole bunch of Clinique stuff. So I'm using the Clinique foundation. I can't remember which foundation this is, but it is in the color Amber, and as you can see, it's a perfect match. I actually was trying some new lighting, you guys, so if some scenes I look a little orange, that's just because, like I said, trying new lighting. And yeah, so I'm just pushing that all into my skin with a Real Techniques buffing brush. I think everybody knows about that brush. Next, going in with my Born This Way by Too Faced concealer. I hope I said that right. This is in the shade Maple. I will show you guys the shade towards the middle. There it goes. See, yeah, knew I was gonna show you that. So yeah, this is in Maple, y'all. This concealer, chokehold. But I'm going in with some Duo Lash Glue, and I actually like to use the white/clear one to basically just lay my brows out. That is a technique I learned from TikTok. It is golden, 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 especially if you have like really thick eyebrows that just can't be tamed sometimes. So this is me just blending and buffing out that concealer under my eyes. I like to use a brush now, y'all. I've changed my makeup so many times. Well, my makeup techniques so many times, and I'm really proud of myself. So buffing it out with a brush. Brushes to blend your concealer is my #1 rule now, because it doesn't do like the beauty blenders and anything else, fingers, it doesn't do what a brush does for me, okay? But to each his own. I think everybody should try it out first, okay? But yeah, afterwards I'm going in with my Beauty Bakerie flour setting powder, just to set under my eyes. And as you guys can see, I'm tapping the powder under my eyes, and then afterwards you're gonna go in and see me like put more powder under the parts I want to be like highlighted a little bit more, aka baking. Then you will see me go into my True Complexions palette. This is an OG for me. It's been one of my go-to palettes for contouring for the longest. Yeah, so just gonna put some warmth back into my face. I put that on my cheekbones and my forehead, and sometimes on my jawline, just depends on how I feel. And on my nose, almost forgot that. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that on and pop that on. Who do I think I am? I'm gonna put that on and then go in with some blush. Now, this blush I got from my beauty box back. My dog is going crazy. I got my beauty box back in, I don't know, probably a couple years ago, but this freaking blush palette is the GOAT for me. I love the pigmentation. I love how pretty it looks. It's just flawless, 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 flawless. My favorite. So push that into my forehead and into my cheeks. Of course, everybody knows you're supposed to put blush on your forehead. Like, if you're not putting blush on your forehead, what are you doing? Then I am going in with my brow pencil. That was the NYX pencil. I actually don't like doing my brows on camera, so that's why you guys didn't really get a sneak peek, a good view of that. If you want to see an updated eyebrow tutorial, let me know, because of course I got y'all. I'm coming with the content. Like, I've been away from YouTube for too long. The ones who know, and I had got a comment, what is it, probably a week ago, and one of you guys was like, come back, post more. So I felt bad, so of course y'all get what y'all want, and I had to just bring you the content, okay? So yes, if you want a brow tutorial, let me know, because I will bring it to you. Other than that, I'm not doing my brows on camera until you guys ask for it, so boom. I am I'm concealing my brows with the Too Faced concealer that I put under my eyes. I don't know if I showed that. I probably didn't, but yeah, that's the concealer I'm using. Now, as y'all can see, I am using that same brush that I used to blend out the concealer under my eyes to blend the concealer under my brows. So we are saving brushes, okay? We're not just using brushes for no reason. And then going in with that same brush I used to put my foundation on, I'm blending my brows out with this. Now, this is another technique that I really recommend if you get like those really light eyebrows and you don't like that. It kind of just tones it down by putting that foundation back on to just blending it out with the foundation. Goodness, can I talk? So with that same contour that I put on my cheeks earlier, I'm just contouring my nose, and my new thing is bringing that contour color all the way up to the front part of my brow and just blending this out. I actually learned this from TikTok in depth, but I feel like the first person who I've seen do this was Sandra Deluxe, so shout out to her, because she was the one that kind of set the tone, and years later a lot of girls and a lot of women are using it to basically just make their eyebrows look more blended, and I personally love the look. Once you see the end, you'll kind of see like why I love it so much. So I'm so sorry. I'm setting my eyes with the same setting powder, of course, just on the top of my lid using the same brush, because we don't waste brushes, girl. We don't do that. And this is me just adding more powder, like I said earlier, under my eyes, because I am going to use some shadows, and we want to be able to dust those shadows away if we have any fallout. Okay, so shadow time. We are going in with the 35T Sweetest Morphe palette. I think I said that right. Like I said, it will be in the description box if I chopped up anything or if I didn't say any products that I'm using. Also, if you need to know the brushes, they will be down below as well. So I'm showing you guys the colors. I don't know them right now. Sorry about that. But I'm showing you guys the colors that I'm using as I go. I like to just I don't even know what I do when I use shadows, especially when I'm using when I'm doing a look where it's like all one shadow. So yeah, I just kind of just go with the flow, play with the colors, and just let them be. And in this instance, I wanted to keep that same like reddish / like that warm type of look, because it's kind of, well, it's the holidays, and I feel like this was a perfect holiday look. So yeah, holiday colors, holiday look, however you want to say it. That's what I do whenever I'm like just, I don't know, I'm rambling, y'all. Don't listen to me. Just watch, because it's pretty self-explanatory for this part. I show you the color, and you guys gonna see the technique that I use. Yeah, I'm just gonna stop talking. Okay, so let me just take back what I said earlier. I said that you can't do anything without a brush, but in all honesty, I use my fingers when I'm working or when I'm doing my own makeup. So, you know what? If you guys want a more in-depth video on my technique, let me know, because I have other videos that I'm going to bring out, before I release any technique videos. But let me know, because I feel like I've changed my technique, tried different techniques, and I think I mastered my thing, like my moves. So let me know what y'all want to see, and I will give it to you, as far as like my technique and how I use my brushes, or whatever y'all like to know as far as like how I work with my products. Now, these lashes are not gonna be in the description box because I have something big coming out, so just stay tuned. Now, the mascara is from e.l.f. I believe this, I don't know what mascara this is. It's gonna be in the description box, so just pay attention to the description box throughout the video, because guys, I can't remember these products off the top of my head. But as you can see, I cut my hair into a bob again, and I was feeling myself, so yeah. To put my lashes on, I'm using the Duo clear glue that I used before, basically to lay my brows down. This glue is bomb. Like, I love the tackiness. I love the way it dries, how it dries so clear, and it's as if because you can see, guys, I messed up on my eyeshadow. Like, you can see glue on there, and because the glue was able to clean off quickly and dry up clear, it's like you don't even know I messed up. Now, using my Anastasia gel liner in Jet. That is my favorite liner. Well, favorite gel liner. And I heard good things about the Inglot one, so I'm actually going to try that one as well. Now, with that, I'm just blending out that first foundation, goodness. That first shadow color that I used, I'm blending that out on the bottom just to smoke it out a little bit. And then, of course, putting some mascara at the bottom. Alright, ladies, remember to dust your powder up, especially the powder under your eyes, and try not to swipe. I was swiping because I was just doing what I do, you know, but I was still tapping it in. Now I'm just going to spray my face. I believe this is the Jeffree Star Strawberry Setting Powder by Morphe. It's just the closest thing I had to me. It was late at night when I was doing my makeup, guys, and I wasn't going anywhere, so I was just trying to get it done. I'm using the same brush, that Real Techniques buffing brush, to press that setting spray into my skin and just blend everything. Now I am lining my lips with something that will be coming out that I won't be dropping in the description box, but you can just use a regular dark brown or like a darker color if you want, but this one will not be talked about because it is coming. Next, I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss. This gloss already speaks for itself. I feel like everybody already knows about the NYX Butter Gloss. It's bomb. It's the best. They have so many different colors. I just love it. I just love it. I believe this color was in Madeline, but of course it will be in the description box. I can't talk today, so don't judge me. Now, I'm about to just go get cute real quick, y'all, and this is the finished look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you guys want me to try anything, let me know, because I'm here for you guys, and I'm going to continue to bring the content. I'm ready, y'all. I hope y'all ready. So, like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you guys.